first of all, this guy was like such a nice guy. Let's share this screen right here. Kenneth, that was the name buddy he went by, was Kenneth. And this is actually before we had those big case handler checks. You know, nowadays you see Testimonial Tuesday, you see these people holding that massive check. You know, it says the case handler on it. But back in the day, we were just, you know, we were given these paper checks and take a picture of it. And I thought it was funny. This guy, because does he look like anybody to you, Squeeze? Does he look like he's a little older, but does he look like a famous singer that you know of, or a producer? Can't hear you. Can't hear you, brother. You're on mute.
Oh, there we go. I said, does he look like Pharrell?
Boom. There you go. Doesn't he? The minute he walked in my door with his case initially, I'm like, this guy looks like Pharrell.
It's Pharrell's dad.
In fact, we took pictures of him next to Pharrell's picture. It was pretty funny. But this was a case, awesome guy, got him a high 5-figure settlement. And he didn't want the exact number being known, but he got, you know, he got paid for sure. If you can read that quote, can you see that? I'm not sure if it's clear right here.
But isn't the check in his hand? We can actually see the check.
No, you can't see the number though. Ruthie, she used to, you know, edit it out. It's like blurred out, almost like a license plate, you know?
Great with a capital G. This man is the best by any test, and is true to his word. Whether it's a small or big case, he's going to deliver. He goes the full 100% to make sure you're satisfied. And this is Kenneth from Westbury, New York. Man, very, very happy guy. Just by looking at his face, I can tell he's extremely happy, man.
Yeah, very serious accident. He was losing his
6 figures, you said?
It was a high 5-figure case. So I can't tell you the exact amount, but let's say it was between 50,000 and 100,000. How's that sound? He didn't want everybody knowing that, but
Okay.
it was a serious accident. He was T-boned. We had a crazy video showing, you know, a very, very heavy impact, and he walked away with a successful result. Life-changing, like I said, life-changing injuries deserve life-changing money. And even though he's smiling in that picture, I think he's smiling because he's holding up that big check, but he still was banged up. And that's just what we do here, man. You know, we have stories after stories after stories. I could spend hours and hours going over these true life success stories. I mean, these are real people with real injuries that had a lot of choices. You know, there's a lot of good lawyers out there, but not every lawyer is going to fight for you like family. Not every lawyer is going to fight for you to make sure that you get the maximum compensation, because we fully understand here that you got one chance to get it right. And we say it all the time: one chance, one choice, your case handler. And all it takes is saving that phone number. Hopefully you never need it, but God forbid you do. We're here for you, and we will snap into action like we've done for thousands of people before you, obtaining millions and millions and millions and millions and millions of dollars. If God forbid you're ever in that situation. So please have our number, save it, 844-774-3529. That's 844-774-3529.